this lesson, we will discuss the time function, which is used to return the current time in a long type format. Let's take a look at this syntax. Here, the time underscore t is an object. It is the type capable of representing times and supports arithmetical operations. This type is returned by the time function and is used as a parameter by some other functions of the time.h header file. And the timer is a pointer to an object of type time_t where the time value is stored. Alternatively, this parameter can be a null pointer, in which case the parameter is not used. But the time_t object is still returned by the function. If the argument is not a null pointer, the return value is the same as the one stored in the location pointed by the argument. If the function could not retrieve the calendar time, it returns a -1 value. For your better understanding, take a look at this example. In this example, we included time.h header file for time_t object. We pass the null value to time and assign to the seconds reference. And finally, we print the value of seconds. Usually, seconds returns as in long type. Now let's execute the code. Doing that, compile the code by pressing Alt F9. When this is done, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to run the code. Look at this output. Here you can see the seconds value. If you wish to get the exact date and time, you need to use the conversion functions. We'll discuss that kind of function in forthcoming lessons.